Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today I'm checking out the Klein Tools magnetic wire pulling system. So I have to actually go through the top of that wall, up top there, down to the top of this, if I can do it, this wall here. But it's not so easy because I don't want to cut any holes in the wall and I want to be able to pull it down. Now these are metal studs, I believe, in here. So I also don't think there's any of the fire blocks in there, so I don't have to worry about that, but there is insulation. So I can't just drop it down, and using fish tape, sometimes the tape will start to turn. So we're gonna try this. I cut a hole up top, drop this part in, and then use the other part here as the magnet to pull it down the wall to actually where I need it to go. And then I can hook the wire to the top of this. So I'm gonna try it and let's see what happens. So I gotta finish making the hole a little bigger so I can drop it down the wall. But that is essentially where it's gonna go, down the wall to that beam there. Here. So it took a second actually to feed it here, but not a big deal. You can see it's actually stuck on the wall there. So as I pull that down, you should see that coming down there. So I'm gonna have to put some more in there so it doesn't snag up. So already you can see I have some of it fed down the wall. It's actually stuck against the magnet, and hopefully we're gonna be able to pull it down to here. So this is awesome. It took me maybe literally 5 minutes to do this, if that, and it's still working great. So let me just show you here. See that? And you can hear it moving down the wall. So I actually see it down there. The other day I struggled with this about like an hour trying to figure out how I was going to run it down the wall, and I just did this. I mean, this is probably like 6 feet. I dropped it down from the top. All I had to do was cut a hole, went in front of the insulation, and brought it down there. So I got to open this up a little bit to grab it, but once that's done, then I'm going to attach the wire and pull the wire back down. Really, really awesome. This is, oh my God, so cool. If you have fire blocks still, like, you will have to open up the wall still and cut a little hole and then put the drywall back. But otherwise, this is working really awesome right now. What? Got that there, and I can go connect the wire to it and pull the wire down. Here it comes. I attached the audio and video cable, or power and video cable. There it is. Pull down the wall, no holes. It's right there, and now I can run it where I need to the camera. That was awesome. The whole thing maybe took 10 minutes total to do this. So after using the Klein Tools metal pulling system, let me say, it was awesome. It saved so much time. It's really just, it's great. So if you're working with something where you don't have the fire blocks in the wall, or even if you're working, sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, this system, it's well worth the money. I couldn't tell you how long it really took me to try to figure out how I was gonna fish the original one, how I was gonna do it. I didn't want to patch walls, I didn't want to do that. And then I saw this. This is cool. I highly recommend it. Add it to your toolkit. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.